extend on our VLANing video from earlier. It will make more sense if you've watched that, but if you haven't, it doesn't really matter. What we're going to do is create a captive portal that we would assign to the interface that the wireless switch would be on. And so anyone surfing the web using the wireless network would first have to go through and satisfy the authentication of the captive portal, if authentication is required, and then they could surf the web. Okay, so let's go to services and captive portal. Click on add, give it a name, captive portal, and this is our captive portal, captive. Okay, without if I learn to spell, and we've done that wrong. You cannot have spaces or nor start with a number. Okay, we enable it. We choose the interface that we want to run this on. There are a lot of good options in here. Go through them carefully. I don't need any of them for this. I'm going to use the backend authentication database. And you would want to normally hit enable HTTPS logins, but I'm not going to right now. At that point, we're done. The number of users would increment as people start using it. Thank you.